2020. This is Itälahdenkatu. Estaviksgatan 8, staircase B. In Vattuniemi, Halones, Lauttasaari, Helsinki, Finland. And now it's only 4 days from when this will be 40 years since the first tenants moved into this residential building on the 30th of November in 1980. This was indeed built in 1980, turning 40 years old this year in 2020. And the serial number is H44549. Asbestos is 4% into 5 grams and it's going to be inspected in the next year, 2021. Sounds a bit weird.
Yeah.
But it's amazing.
Yeah.
And still like late 1970s style from 1980.
Yeah.
This elevator is well, it has to be 40 years in a few months now.
Yeah. Expected Lucky-wise, maintained by Schindler.
Yeah, and the maintenance could have been better.
Yeah.
Maybe they could not afford it.
Yeah.
For Kone. Now you can press. Because I had pressed it twice already.
Yeah.
The numbers are reasonable here.
Yeah.
Let's go. Thank you very much for watching. That's it.
That's